So let's start with the Modern Advanced Find. The Modern Advanced Find is basically replacing the so-called Legacy Advanced Find, and most of the users working with Dynamics are using the, well, former Legacy Advanced Find and now Modern Advanced Find to basically look up data that is not available in the app from scratch. So especially when it comes to like very detailed information that somebody wants to look at. And many users have been saving their personal views, etc., based on their personal needs. So the Advanced Find in general, to me, is like a very, very, very good and helpful feature in general. And the Legacy Advanced Find was now replaced as of October. And I think most of you have noticed already, like working with Dynamics, that the filter icon that you had in the navigation bar is not available anymore, which is basically the best sign, okay, you are now working with Modern Advanced Find, because the Legacy Advanced Find using the filter button in the navigation bar is not available anymore. In general, like the Modern Advanced Find allows users to look up data in any table that is available in the model-driven app. Important to understand is that if you have, there is several entities, like many entities available in Dynamics, you can look for entities or tables in the Modern Advanced Find if they are included in the model-driven app. Does not mean they have to be in the sitemap, but in general, you can activate tables for model-driven app usage and the Modern Advanced Find. In general, and that is like something which is new. If you have worked with Advanced Find before or the Legacy Advanced Find, you've always been able to share your personal views with other users, and you have always been able to allow them like to only read or write or delete your personal views. That is still available, that feature. What is new is that you can now also hide your personal views, like you don't want to delete them, but you don't want to see them at all times. So you can hide them. And you have now the option to reorder the list of views on basically how you want to see them.